Rwanda has just topped the 2020 Africa destination list, and I'm here in the capital, Kigali. The city is a hub for new startups, it has a buzzing art scene and great local entertainment. But while most travellers whiz through here to get straight to the Rwandan wildlife, I've come to see what the capital has to offer.
Welcome to Rwanda!
The city is impressively spotless, there's Wi-Fi everywhere, and perhaps most importantly, there's a real sense of pride bursting from every single person I talk to.
This is thanks in no small part to the National Made in Rwanda initiative. It's a movement to support and inspire local businesses, and the Made in Rwanda label is now a badge of honour. This all reflects the new Rwandan identity, no longer divided along ethnic or tribal lines.
I'm at the House of Teo, where designer Matthew Rugamba set up shop 8 years ago, and he's seen his brand really grow in popularity since the launch of Made in Rwanda last year. He's even seen his clothes strutted on the red carpet of the premiere of blockbuster film Black Panther.
I want to show the best of Rwanda. There's a lot of undiscovered talent here. It's part of my mandate to utilize as much local talent and expertise as I can. It's very important that we build a local ecosystem of models, photographers, lighting experts. Only when we do that, we can say that we have a local fashion industry.
I'm dying to find out about the Wakanda premiere suit he made for the protagonist, Lupita Nyong'o's brother, Jr. The suit was made remotely, and Teo worked off photographs working right down to the wire.
It got to him about 3 or 4 hours before the actual premiere.
Whoa,
yeah,
talk about cutting it fine.
Yeah.
With your bloodshot eyes because you've not slept.
Exactly, and even when he got the suit, I wasn't sure it would fit.
Yeah.
So it was an absolute miracle that it fit. It was really exciting. It was an important time for Rwandan fashion.
Teo and other city designers are not only thriving here in Rwanda, but are now selling their goods abroad.
Fashion isn't the only thing that's growing here, thanks to the Made in Rwanda slogan. Now, music and dance has always been a way for people to express themselves. And now, with the national revival, you can't go far here without hearing a drum beat.
Inema is one of East Africa's largest art centres, with a range of Rwandan cultural experiences.
How do I look? Good? I've noticed this real sense of pride to be Rwandan.
Right.
Why is this dance so symbolic of Rwandan culture?
It's very essential for the kids to have some sort of identity and then to grow understanding the dance, their culture.
Yeah.
It's very good as you move forward.
Well, I guess you can tell what's going to happen next. Oh man, here we go.
I made it for about half of that choreography. These kids are so good. So I've had so much fun today getting stuck into Rwandan culture. Now I'm ordering a cocktail, I'm about to kick back and enjoy a concert Rwandan style.
I'm here to see Deo perform, one of Kigali's rising music sensations.
The inanga is our cultural traditional music. It's folk one. It's our history. It's our identity. Many years ago, it was getting disappeared. So I decided to introduce my music to the new world.
Such a beautiful sound.
So pretty.
The lyrics of your music, what do they mean? What are you saying in your songs?
I want everybody to know our culture, how we do it, our history.
Yeah.
If everybody listen to our story, where we come from and where we're going on, it gives the inspiration to other nations. So I want to tell the people about our country.
This new generation of Rwandans who have now moved on from the country's darker, violent past are shedding light and colour across the country. And while most travellers rush through Kigali, it's worth keeping some time aside to explore the people, their passion, and their crafts in this bustling city.